Hey guys, it's Cooper Oak, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a triple single. And I'm going to be making the exact same one as this, so that means I'm going to be using the exact same colors. So yeah, and what you'll need for this bracelet is your rainbow loom hook, your rainbow loom, and your hook. It doesn't matter what kind of hook it is, a crochet hook or a rainbow loom hook. Then you'll need 2 different colors. Or you have to have at least 2 different colors. But today I'm using 3. So let's get started. Start with your loom so that the arrows are pointing away from you. So I'm going to be taking my white rubber bands and I'm going to put it on these 2 pegs right here. I'm going to do the exact same thing all the way down to the loom, to the end of the loom. Now your loom should look like this. Now we're going to go back to this peg. We're going to go back to these 3 pegs, and we're going to go on this peg and place the exact same color, unless you have 3 different colors. Okay, now your loom should look like this. Now we are going to be doing the exact same thing in the middle, except with a different color, unless you are just having one color. And do it all the way down to the end of the loom. Now your loom should look like this. Now what you are going to do is you're going to place your cat band color, which mine is black, because I'd recommend using black because it's the darkest and it's the easiest to put on. So I'm going to skip these 3 pegs and I'm going to put a triangle on these 3 pegs. We are going to put triangle cat bands on until the end of the loom. We are not skipping any more pegs. Now your loom should look like this. without any cap bands on these 3 pegs. So now what we are going to do is we are going to turn our loom around like this, and we're going to take our hook and go in this cap band like that, and then take this white rubber band and hook it over onto the next peg in front of it, like so. Now we're going to go under all these bands, and we're going to grab that last white band and hook it over onto this. Now we're going to go under our cap band and grab the last white band and hook it over like so. I'll do this a couple more times with you, and then I will continue. Go through the cap band, hook it over to the peg in front of it. Under the cap band, grab the last white, hook it over to the front of the cap band. Now continue this down your whole loom. Now your loom should look like this. Right now we're going to skip the middle for right now, and we're going to go under this cap band and grab the next side. And grab that white and take it over onto the peg in front of it. Go under all these bands, get the last white, and hook it over to the peg in front. Under the cap band, last white, hook it over to the peg in front. Continue doing this till the end of the loom. Now your loom should look like this. Now what we are going to do is we're not going to go under the cap band. We're just going to put this pink band on our hook like this, and then hook it over to the peg in front of it. And then we're going to find the last pink band, hook it over to the peg in front of it. We're going to do that till the end of the loom. Now your loom should look like this. Now what we are going to do is we're going to go to the top of the loom, and we're going to take this side and we're going to hook it over onto this middle. Be careful on this part because your bands could break off. Now do the exact same thing on the other side. Take the 2 rubber bands and put it in the middle, on the middle peg, like that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put our hook through all the rubber bands on this middle peg, like so. Make sure it's in all the rubber bands or else your bracelet will come out funny. Now you're going to take your cap band color, which is, mine is black, and we're going to stretch it on the loom like this. And then we're going to take it through. And now the band on your finger, you will put it back on the hook, like so. Now I'm going to take it off, just like I would any other bracelet. So I'm just going to take it off by stretching the hook. And then here is my bracelet on my hook. And now what we're going to do, now that we have this loop on our hook right here, we're going to add the wrist part. Make it so that it fits your wrist. Mine is 5 because it feels better. It feels a lot better when it's tight, so make sure it fits you just how you like it. And if you didn't know already how to put chains on your hook, you will take 1 rubber band, you will stretch it on your hook like so, and then take these loops and put it on that band. And then the part in your finger, you're going to put back on the hook like so. When you are done adding your chain, you will get a C-clip. You'll hold it with one hand. You'll hold your bracelet with one hand and kind of tug on it. And then in these loops, you'll see the front of them and the back of them. You're going to put the C-clip on the front 2 bands. So these, I'm just going to put the C-clip on, like so. I'll show you another way how to make an extension for them in a second here. And then once you have this done, you're going to place this part onto the other side of the C-clip. And then take the bracelet off of your hook, and then you have a triple single. Here's another way to get an extension. You just take your loom and you put as many extensions as you need, like this. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say you needed 5 bands for your extension. You just place you'd place the part of this, the loop part. You'd place this loop part onto this peg right here, and then that'd be like a cap band, and then you just hook it like we did with the rose, and then just take it off and then add it to the part. So there you have it. That is how you make a triple single. Thanks for watching. Bye.